Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you'll learn how to add your contact information to your footer on your Shopify store. This is crucial for building trust and it allows people to see your contact details on the footer of your website. It's also important for adhering to Google's policies when you're running Google shopping campaigns. So let's get into it and I'm going to show you how to add this to your store. Okay, so now I'm on my computer, log into your Shopify admin, and on the left-hand menu, click on the sales channel and select Online Store. Click Themes from the drop-down menu. To access the footer settings, click the Customize button next to your current theme. In the theme editor, you'll see a menu on the left. Scroll down and select Footer. Now, add your contact information here. Under the footer settings, you'll see the options to add blocks. Click on Add Block and select Rich Text. In the text box, enter your contact details, like your business address, phone number, and email address. You can also add any other information you think is important, such as your business hours or a short message. For example, we respond to inquiries within 24 hours. If this resonates with your business, then mention this information. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, hit Save. Okay, that's it guys. That's how you add your contact information to your Shopify footer. Now, if you haven't already, go and check out our free Google Shopping course. This free course shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 100K per month for your e-commerce store. It's completely free. It's on our website. I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.